Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're here still at ICAST in the Z-Man booth now, and I've obviously shown you guys a lot of the different products that Z-Man came out with as far as the freshwater market. They have 16 new products, fresh and salt, everything from new rods to even a system to put rattles in Elastec and other soft plastics. So, but there's one bait that I really didn't expect to really pique my interest that much because it was designed as a saltwater bait. But once I saw it and see it in the tank here, they've got this cool little tank that you can see all the baits in action. Once I saw it in there and got to put it in my hands, I know this is going to be 100% a bass fishing bait too, and that is the Molotron LT. So obviously a mullet is a saltwater prey species. However, they do live in brackish too, so like if you're down here in Florida, yeah, you're gonna be able to catch, you know, both bass, snook, anything, you know, that lives in that brackish type water. But honestly, you look at this thing, it has a profile that can pretty much do anything. It can imitate, you know, a shad, it can imitate herring, it can imitate, you know, really any type of freshwater bait fish very, very well. But the features are kind of where I like this bait a lot. So first off, you got kind of that wedge style tail. This was really popularized in California for, you know, a lot of trout swim baits. But it creates this really good, you know, kind of sauntering swimming action. Even at like really slow speeds, that tail has always got that natural, you know, movement to it. I'm gonna see if I can actually get one in the water. I don't see the rod, but if I can find the rod, where is it? I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Well, anyways, so I want to show you really what impressed me the most is the hook system. Okay, so the hook system is a line through hook system. So you put your line through there, that hole at the top of the head, and then you tie it to this straight shank, really sharp, really strong hook. And that creates a situation where when you're fighting the fish, after you set the hook and you're fighting the fish, this hook will remove itself from it'll disconnect from the swim bait, and it'll eliminate all of that leverage that fish have with the weight of this bait to throw the bait. And just in general, I think a single hook really does keep fish a little bit better, a lot better than treble hooks in general. But another thing I like about this system is it's not just a line through system. It has a really good stable, you know, stability to it. So it doesn't like roll from side to side. Like you can't push this hook around. It stays straight up. And so just really, really well done line through system. And I'm very impressed with it. It just locks in there, and then when you have a fish on, it'll disconnect. But this thing's going to be awesome. It comes in 4.5 inch versions, okay, and also 6-inch versions. So like both of those 100% bass sizes. You're not going to have a problem catching bass on this. So this one's kind of a little bit of a sneaky bait, because it's designed for saltwater specifically. It's kind of a sneaky bait that I'm really looking forward to throwing for bass for sure. But anyways, guys, make sure we've got one right here. We got the rod. Let's go test it out. I want to show you guys this deal in the water. All right. It's not big enough, but it does have a good, yeah, right there. Look at that. Very subtle swimming action. Oh yeah, there you go. That was good. That was good. Oh. See that? I did. Thank you so much, man. Awesome. So you guys saw the action. And the last thing I forgot to mention is that it's made of Elastec, obviously, so super strong, super durable. You can catch a ton of bass on it and whatever type of toothy species you're looking for next. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. I'm going to see you out on the water or on the showroom floor. Take care.